This video is only for feminists, so rest of you can leave. So this is a story time video, which is hurtful and is the reason why we need rebellious girls and feminism. Okay, let's start. So I have a friend, let's name her Z. Mind you, she is elder to me. Okay, we all are college students and she is elder to me. Okay, now we had an event named Synapse, which is in DAII city, Gandhinagar basically, in a college where there are a lot of events. There are technical events, there are non-technical events, and there is concerts. The major part is the concert. So we went there, and we were in a group basically. So this friend, this Z, has never moved out of city without her parents. So this was her first time basically. For this particular event, for taking the permission with her parents, she had to convince them like fucking very much. And ultimately, her brother also had to, and that is how her parents were convinced. Means this was something like a very normal thing, but still you had to convince your parents like so much. Whatever. So we went, and basically, I am smaller to the Z. I mean, she is elder to me, right? Her mother called me specially to take care of her daughter, that I had to take care of her daughter. You see how overprotective parents are over here. So we went to this event. It was a we attended the event for 2 days, sorry, 2 nights and 3 days. And we were about to leave on the third day, and we had to catch a bus which was in Ahmedabad basically, and to come back to our hometown here. So we thought that we would leave early and we would go to Ahmedabad's mall, which was the Palladium Mall, very famous, very good for shopping, and we had to shop a little. So we went there, we enjoyed, we were sharing pics to our moms that should we buy this, that, and all the stuff basically. Now, mind you, my friend C, she liked a shirt which was a full sleeve shirt and it was good. It was very reasonable as well. She sent the pic to her mom that should I buy this? Like, of course, we are small, we love to shop along with our moms. So, yeah. So she did the same. Her mom asked her, "Where are you?" So she said, "We came for shopping to a mall." Now her mother calls her and shouts like hell. Like she yells. Firstly, your dad doesn't know about the concert thing. Only I know. I allowed you. Who told you to go to the mall? Who told you to do this? You are just 18. You cannot go out. You don't have the brains. You don't know what will happen if your dad gets to know. Oh my god, she starts yelling like hell. And I heard it. And it scared me. It scared me like hell. Like, what the fuck just happened? We are grown up enough. We know how to, book the Uber. We know how to, catch the bus. We had like literally 3 to 4 hours gap, and we were also in a group. We were safe. It was morning. We would reach to our hometown before 7 or 8. What was that much big deal? And her tone was really very scary. I really did not understand what was the point of shouting so much. Till date, her dad doesn't know she came for concert. Her dad wouldn't even allow it if he would knew. His dad allowed her for the technical event because it was related to our field. She is the friend who has such complicated life that I cannot even imagine. Secondly, she has never worn sleeveless tops, crop tops, shorts, anything, not even frocks, the knee length frocks we have. Everything basically a girl like she has never worn. She's always wearing full sleeves or the t shirt like I'm wearing right now. She has never worn all these girly things. Thirdly, if she does not have her personal room, she sleeps in the hall room. Now, whenever a friend calls or I call, she is not talking more than 15 minutes. If she talks, She is questioned that what was such an important task that you had to talk 15 minutes. Who are you talking to? Why the hell you have to talk so much? Wow. And this is a story of my friend. But actually, the place where I live in, this is the story of every house. Like, mostly every house has this particular story where parents are too much overprotective and girls are not rebellious at all. Thankfully, my friend is rebellious and she talks back. She fights for herself. She tries to fight for herself. That's a good thing. But girls over here do not ever talk back. They worship their parents. And I don't have a problem with that. I have a problem that they won't be able to do anything big in their life. I have a problem with this. And I still believe that girls should be rebellious. I should be, I should, I really don't know what is the logic of parents over here. I don't understand them. Thankfully, my family is much forward compared to this, like very much forward. I don't have such cases at my house. But yeah, this is the thing. Parents are very much overprotective or too much concerned, which is not needed. Absolutely not. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and always follow me on Instagram. So, yeah. Thank you.